this is Strider Prime bringing you a new edition of Bandai Models, and today I am going to build this kit. The 1/1000 scale, the experimental ship of Transcendental Dimensions, BBY-03, Ginga, from the Space Battleship Yamato 2202 animated series. So, we are getting a new ship, we are getting a new model of the Ginga. As you can see here in the image, this is the 3199 version of the Ginga. Now, I have to admit, I was intrigued with this model kit when it first came out. However, I have yet to see any episodes or any type of references of what the hell it does. But hopefully by the time I'm done building this kit, I would finish up the stupid 2202 animated series to get to that point, to see this series, to see, you know, this ship in action and what it does and what's supposed to do. Clearly, it's an experimental ship. It's a Yamato class battleship, but it's experimental. The features of the hull is similar to the Yamato, but it's unique with its new upper hull. It has this amazing little observation dome, you know, and the back carrier deck type setup that was on the 1/1000 scale Andromeda class ships, and new window frames. It still has the shot cannons, as you can see there, but it's equipped also with the wave motion engine, which is sealed. It is an interesting kit to see. And now, since we're getting the updated version of the Ginga, or it's not considered updated because I was looking at this kit online at Daylong's website, and I compared it to what was posted on Tag Hobbies when they showed images of it, and I did side-by-side comparison, and quite frankly, it's the same ship. The only difference is the observation dome in this kit is clear, but you get both a clear and a blue tinted version of the dome, and you also get energy beam effect parts to put on the cannons for it to fire. That would have been great if they would have added that to the Yamato 3199 kit that I built last year. It would have helped me out great with my diorama build, you know. However, it never came to fruition, of course, and maybe they didn't think about it. Maybe it was last minute. I don't know if we're going to be seeing that on the new Arizona kit that is going to be coming out this summer as well. However, I definitely am intrigued with the Ginga now. Now, you guys are saying, well, you don't have the new Ginga. No, I don't. I have the old Ginga. Never built, never touched, till now. Oh yes, I am building this very, very unique ship. Obviously, it's the same kit that I built before. The only difference is we have the dome, we have the new type of command bridge, we have a flight deck back here, I guess, to have more fighters. Surprisingly, they got rid of the carousel fighter bay that was inside the original Yamato as well. And I do remember someone online on eBay was selling the actual. Actually, no, that's not true, because I'm thinking of the 1/500 scale version where they were selling the fighter bay carousel, which you can buy it separately if you want, but not the 1/1000 scale version. I don't think you can put that in here. I don't know if the design features will allow it. but this is, yeah, I'm going to be working on this kit. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This is going to be Yamato month, of course. I was actually considering building something else, but I'm going to see if I can try to get this build done and quickly like the last one that I built, but hopefully you never know. Things may change. We can't be all for certain. But if you look at all this detail here, just so you understand, these are not clear parts. These are actually the actual portholes of the ship, but it's covered in this model kit. As I was looking at online, we're going to explore possibilities, and yes, possibilities of me lighting this nice little Christmas tree you can see here. But for now, let's build it and go from there. So let me put this down here. Let me adjust the camera. It just so happens that I remembered that I actually did a intro build of this, or introduction to this kit a long time ago. Never got around to, of course, continuing building it because something probably caught my attention or something else. But we're going to start again. We got our plate here with the base. You see some of the frames, and I guess this is from, I believe, from the second version of the Yamato. I don't know if this is actually from the first version. I think I'm going to have to review that. I'm going to have to look online and see if these parts are the similar parts that was on the original Yamato. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Actually, there's a way we can tell. If we look at the plating, it says 1000, but I can't tell if it's referring to the year. I know there's that little clock thingy that you could tell. I see some information here, but we'll have to look at that later. Here's the manual. Here's the lower part of the ship. Quite familiar. We're going to speed build this one because obviously you guys see me build the Yamato before, so everything from the bottom is the same, literally the same. We'll just have to work on the top. We have LED. We have clear parts here. We have both clear, and we have both orange. I don't see the dome here. It must be inside the plate. In this, hold on. Here are the fins. Here are the Cosmo fighters. I think it's called the Cosmo Zero. The anchor. Oh. This does come with the, well, unlike, okay, so first of all, here's the dome. And here's some of the added on features here. This one, on the other hand, I think, does this go under this, or is this over it regardless? It's not clear, it's an opaque blue, like an opaque clear blue. Don't know why they introduced that, but okay. Here's more of the ship parts here, and it comes with an LED light. Wow. I actually don't remember that. And some screws to screw it in. Oh, for that, of course. We have the ship cannons here. Barrels, of course. Secondary gun. The front part of the ship. And this is the unique part of the bridge. Oh, okay, so you have, this must be the old ones, because that is the new ones, I believe, since it's in new plating. And then we have the wings and all that stuff. You know what? Did this kit come with the wings? No, I don't think so. I would not mind putting on the wings on this. I have never put the wings on any of the other Yamato kits. And I think it'd probably be a good idea to do it now. Okay. I have a distinct feeling we're going to be seeing a lot of X's in that manual. Oh, let us not forget the water slide decals. This came out in 2018. Yeah, better late than never. Alright, so I am seeing some X's here. I see 2 here. This entire plate has an entire set of X's that don't need to be used. It's probably going to be. I'm going to put these plates next to the other leftover Yamato parts from the 3199 kit. There's some parts here that could be X'd. A lot of X's here. It doesn't use the wings, the atmospheric wings. All right, fair enough. I guess we don't use them. However, I wonder, because we're omitting this, does this require this? We'll have to figure that out. Some information in Japanese. Did this go through the English translation? No, it did not. All the tools that you need for this kit. The assembly of the base. The clear part that goes directly to that LED light set. And which one is this? Is this for the wave motion gun? Let me see. Yeah, that goes directly to the wave motion gun, which of course is covered up by a cap. And you definitely need to buy this part, which is ridiculously expensive, to put in the back for the thrusters and the secondary thrusters. I don't need that. I'll make my own, thank you. Yeah, all the techniques and ideas to do this. I'm gonna try to see if I can do it right. I know this, even though the kit is big, it's not big enough to put in a set of AAA battery base in there. It's gonna have to use the same, like, you know. I actually have it right here. I had it here a second ago, and I found it. Okay, let me pull this out. Yeah. So these little thumb battery cases, I can put them inside the kit and then turn them on. The switch here and there, and then pop it out and do it up. So right now we are seeing everything from the bottom down, which we already have seen before many times. Ooh, this is a beautiful. So you can see right there how it looks. That's a lot of light blue there. And then the lighting effect comes through here as it's supposed to show right there. And then you have this part here with the oh, interesting, I forgot. The dome needs to be masked so you could paint it. That's good to know. I don't see like an example of putting that opaque dome in there. There's that unique fighter. I have that kit. Alright, so once the Yamato is built, then you start working on the dome feature here. I'm going to have to translate that to find out what's the big difference. I see all. This is all new right here to put on the upper tip of the bridge and the flight deck. Unfortunately, the flight deck doesn't give you like features to put in the fighters or how the fighters come out. I gotta watch the anime. I really do gotta watch the anime to understand this. And then to finish it up, put in the shock cannons, the Cosmo Zero fighter launch thing, I think it is. The lower bridge, all the little knickknacks and paddywhacks and give the dog the bones. And then you have the fighters here, both the original one and then the new one, of course. And then how to take this off to turn on the switch to turn on the lights. How to take the bottom part off to turn on the switch and turn on the lights. And then here it is. And of course there's the, what was it called again? Cosmo Zero and Cosmo Tiger 2. So this is the Cosmo Zero. And now I know this is Cosmo Tiger 2. What was this called again? I think I still have my Yamato kits nearby. But my Yamato fighters, but I put it away someplace. Because I was actually considering, oh, there it is. I might as well bring it here. So I have this. This is, what is it? You know what? I gotta translate these things. Well, and I have this kit, of course. These are the Mecha Collide version kits, which I wish they made 1/72nd scale. I know somebody's been 3D printing Yamato fighters, and I saw somebody 3D print the Pelican, and then this fighter as well. So it's nice to see that they're doing that, but I would like to see Bandai start releasing kits like that as well. As for the colors, we already know what's going on here. We have the navy blue type color. You know, we have the dark red, and we have, I guess, this color here. This has to be maybe dark brown or maybe charcoal color for this. And the one thing that they don't talk about here, is all these the colors of the light blue that will show up through here. I'm gonna have to say, and I was thinking about this, and I'll say it here. I'm definitely gonna LED this kit for the light here, 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 there, and if I can swing it, this one. This would be a nightmare to make not only every little hole, but put a clear part on it behind it, and then put a light bulb inside, based on how small it is. So I won't do that. But I will do it the other way around. So, that's my plan. We're going to build this, and obviously I will have it ready for Mosquitocon. Let us begin building the 1/1000 scale Ginga.